Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continuing grinding on mom's car, which is 2019 trucks. And in the previous episode, you guys remember, I reassembled this front end, everything possible under the hood, and today plan is to finish assembling everything possible. And hopefully I will have enough time to take it apart, interior, to replace some of the airbags, but that's gonna be later down in the episode, and I don't know if it's gonna be in today's episode. So let's go through the plans, what I need to do. First, I need to install fender liners underneath of a bumper. There's a plastic piece goes in. I also need to reattach the fender flares, reattach everything over here, install this plastic piece on the door handle, molding over here, mirror piece that goes over here. I don't know about the windshield, I need it, but I might gonna be able to, oh no, I'm not gonna be gluing, even though I have a windshield. Look at this over here. Remember guys, there's damage over here, and I was thinking to actually install a window, but now I'm realizing the dent repair, it's gonna be easier to probably get it from here or from here. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna decide that later on. Right now, let's just start assembling everything that possible, and whenever I'm gonna get stuck, we'll figure it out what I can do. There you go, I'm done with assembly. Doors, everything. What's left is put it back on its own wheels, but I don't want to deal with it right now. I already went ahead and prepared everything in order to get the headliner out. That's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So, door panels back together, everything looks amazing. So now I need to get this handles out, this out, this off, and that, and also need to make sure not to damage the headliner because the other vehicle doesn't have a sunroof, which is big sucks because this is gonna be noticeable. Hopefully not that bad. Hopefully I can do some little magic touches and try to save that. We'll see, but headliner needs to be out in order to replace the airbags. That's exactly what we're gonna be doing right now. I was able to yank the headliner out of here. So I already went ahead and disconnect the airbag. There they are. Also went ahead and figured it out how to disconnect everything over here. In order to pull this out, you need to pull this off. In order to pull this off, you need to get access to here because the bolt is over there, right over here. And this one over in the front in order to get the what is it, the buckle. No, this is not the buckle. No, I believe this is buckle. This is retractor. I know this is retractor. Seatbelt. This is for buckle. I'm bad with it. So this seatbelt needs to be out. That seatbelt needs to go out. Also, I need to find out where the module is, because this is a new vehicle for me. Never worked on them, so this is something I'm figuring out as I go. And hopefully, if you're gonna work something similar, I believe Buicks, Chevy trucks are the same. In order to get the headliner off of a vehicle, you need to disconnect over here, which is seats over there. Let's go on the other side. I'll show you real quick. I come up with the idea. If you have a longer bar or a screwdriver, all you have to do is just pop it so it opens, and then you're gonna be able to get the wire off of there. See, this one I was able to get it here because I disassembled a lot of stuff over there to get it out, and then I come up with the idea, because all you really need to do is just pop this in order to pull the wire out, and then you're gonna put the wire back in and pop this in. It's gonna be pretty simple. So the reason I did all of that is on this vehicle, because I don't want to spend a whole lot of time outside getting my butt cold to pull all those out, because I do need to pull them out. But another thing is, that vehicle is flooded, so there's no power to it. I'm feeling I'm gonna have a tough time to dealing with that vehicle. Hopefully it's powerless. This one is powerless. The driver is power. We'll see. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue disassembling interior. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna record a lot of it because there's really, you can't see a lot of it. Let's get it done. I got it out this car in no time. Man, I think the whole thing, it took me about an hour. No, actually not 1.5 hours. I got it out. So I got seat belts and the buckle. I also took the headliner completely apart, took airbags out. So all of this. Steering wheel airbag, 2 seat belts, 2 airbags, and knee airbag. And the rest of it I'm gonna stick it in here. Headliner probably on top of a vehicle because it still needs to be steered. Just needs to clean out a little, and then I can start working on this one, and then I can continue working on this one when I will have frame available. Oh man, there's lots of stuff to do and lots of things coming to the end. Oh man, excited, can't wait. Now let's go, let's get all those parts back in mom's car and see if airbag light gonna come on. I did absolutely everything that I can in this interior. As you can see, the buckle, retractor, everything is hooked up, everything works. The steering wheel airbag back in place, knee airbag back in place. I also went ahead and replaced the clean module. So theoretically we should have some progress. Not the progress, it should actually, let's see, there's the airbag light. Let's see if it, that's it. We are right on the money. It's pretty good. I like how this car goes. The parts got me some issues, especially the seatbelt over here. Man, I've been fighting with that seatbelt about a couple hours. So what I had to do, let's shut this off. Come on, shut it off. Okay, so I had to take apart the seatbelt completely, clean out, and because the dirt got in there and the bolt was pushing the plastic piece always on top, and also the spring broke on it. So I'm like, I spent a couple hours, and that seatbelt is probably what, $100. Oh well, no, at least I didn't have to go to dealer and try to get it and wait and all that. But hey, car is completely ready for the dent repair. I already went ahead and made an appointment with him. He's gonna take care of this dent over here, through here. That's why I said I cannot continue any further with this vehicle, because he needs the access there. And in order for me to put the headliner back, I can install this side before I can do that. Those ones just sitting here, you know, they're just on the clip, and I cannot install the bottom one because, and this one goes under. Same thing over there. That's how I'm gonna park this vehicle. That's how it's gonna sit for, what, today is Wednesday. Till Friday 9 in the morning I have appointment. He's gonna do that damage. So that's where all the plastics are. That's it. We're done with this vehicle for now. Hopefully it's gonna be one more episode and this thing will be done completely. I like how this thing went through. Actually, maybe a couple more. I still need to do buffing, but today I'm not gonna be doing that. Today I wanna do something different. Kind of tired of working whole week with this vehicle. I want to change up a little rebuild. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, leave your thoughts down below, and if you want to see inside scoop, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.